Hello everybody. Today, we'll be talking about adding lighting to your next photo project in Affinity Photo. We're going to start by going to the Stock tab in the middle right panel. You can see that there are stock photos from both Pixabay and Pexels.com. I'm going to select a nice forest picture from Pixabay and drag it in to create a new layer. Next, I'll go to my Assets panel and find a lighting source to add to my picture. I think the planet Earth will do. Let's drag planet Earth into the picture to create a new layer, and then I'll size and position it just so. That looks good. If you don't know how to create assets, I'll provide a link below to a video I made about how to cut out images and add them to your assets library. Now, I'll go to the Layers tab and click on the forest background to select that layer. Next, go to the Live Filters button and scroll down to Lighting. I'll play around with the position, size, shape, and lighting colors for a bit. That looks great. Jeff insisted to be in this video, so let's pull him out of the Assets panel where I keep him now. He's short, but not that short, so let's size and position him a bit. Finally, we'll add a little shadow from the overhead light source. To do this, we can simply click on the Ellipse tool and drag a little shape into place. I'll change the color to black. Then, I'll lower the opacity a bit. Finally, I'm going back to the Live Filters tab to add a little Gaussian blur to the shadow to blend it in a bit. And so, yeah, there you go. If you like today's content, please click that like and subscribe button below. Have a great day, everyone.